ACCA is something different which can give you a better upper platform to grow.
She can go for multinational company job and she can move to any other country also in future.
So we always advise them that keep patience and be strong because it's not very easy to stay alone. A lot of things she learned actually during that 6 month tenure of her intercity device. We imagine she will be either, if in India, she will be in the top in some corporate and at some senior CFO level. And in the ACC also, in 8th paper, she ranked 8th in the world.
Actually, don't pressurize too much to your kids.
We pressurize her to go out and chill.
Hi, I'm Faye D'Souza. Welcome to this very special podcast series by ACCA. We're talking to the people behind the careers, the people behind the plans, the parents. Of course, we have young people who choose their careers, who decide which path they're going to take, and who build futures. But it's the parents who stay up with anxiety, who question every choice, who try and figure out if this is really the best choice for their child. We're talking to those facts because the way we choose our careers, the way we build futures is changing every day. Today, I had with me a wonderful couple, Pranav and Isha Trivedi, whose young daughter, I understand, is brilliant and is doing really well. So, I want to start off by asking the both of you, and you studied microbiology, you're an engineer. When you were choosing what you would study in college, vis-a-vis when Kavya and your older daughter were choosing, has the environment changed completely?
It is completely. Because in our times, we were not being very selective in what we are going to do. It was what our elders are saying or our parents are saying that you have to go in this line. But in Kavya's and my elder daughter, they were very keen from, I say, from 8th or 7th standard, that what they are going to, which line they are going to. Though they are very particular about, even they were very keen about the college, about the courses, about what they are going to do next. So that liberty they had, and they.
How about you? You find it very different from then to now?
Yes. At our time, we choose a stream depending on our percentage.
Yeah.
And that time we don't know so many courses. So if I got above 70%, so people suggest you go for science. And at this time, we asked our daughter that which subjects you like, you go for that stream, then you will do better.
She's a great topper, right? And said she has made you proud through her entire schooling and college.
Yeah.
Tell me about her achievements.
Kavya was ranked second in 12th in
University.
university.
Yeah. Score 97% in her 12th board. Up to 7th, 8th, she is average. But then she realized that I have to do serious study. Then only I'll do better in future in my career.
And in the ACC also, in 8th paper, she ranked 8th in the world and the 3rd in India this year, I said. So that was also one of the very big academic achievement.
So, who chose ACCA? Was it your daughter? Was it you? आप लोग ACCA के बारे में, a lot of parents don't even know that such a course is available.
We don't know about ACCA, but when we come to know about the course, I gave her options that after 12th commerce, her friends are going to do BBA, BCom. So I found this new course, so I inquired about it. We gave her option that this course also you can go for it. This accounts and finance subjects are there, and you will do better. Your subject of interest are there.
What about, obviously when we say we're studying accounts, or there are many options available, including just the BCom.
Yes.
What about the ACCA course was attractive for the both of you, for your daughter?
I mean, she will have a bigger platform It's not will be restricted to some. She will have a broader.
She can go for multinational company job and she can move to any other country also in future if she can go choose ACCA course.
We have seen the trail like many multinational companies are coming to India, and they are a bit selective about that finance sections and all. I am also working in one multinational of US based, where all our financing people and all in that there are many ACCAs. So I have inquired about what is this ACCA. Even my elder daughter studying in the same college of Pune, her lot of friends were from our city only were doing ACCA. So we just digged into and asked about what, and then we get some confidence. This is something different, and there are multiple. I mean, you can grow the way you like in ACCA. That is why.
You were happy to
But ultimate choice was
Was-
Kavya only, not.
But I thought it was really fascinating because you live in Vadodara
Yeah.
and your daughters are studying in Pune, both of theirs. And a lot of times people are really conservative. They're not very happy to send their daughters away to study, especially a happening place like
Yeah,
this.
yeah, no, no.
But tell us what that process was like in your house.
I will say, my both daughters, we have given them very freedom to explore not only in study or not only, but they do a lot of trekkings and they do go for a lot of solo trips and all. So we just wanted them to deal with the people, deal with the places.
Outside atmosphere.
Not only
Guys, at home they always feel comfort and
Sheltered. So we heard from the parents and one students that completing BCom or ACCA side by side sometimes become very stressful. And again, Tadia's living separately from you. So how do you help her deal with that stress?
actually doing ACCA, she found BCom very easier for her too. So college study she can prepare within 10-15 days while her semester exams are there.
Okay.
And in festival she always come to home. In Diwali she'll get a 1 month vacation. In summer also there is a vacation.
Now the levels have come been harder, but I mean we have never worried about her. Like she will do the. She even herself is never that stressed as it's.
So I understand supposed to have an internship in the EY.
Yes.
So that journey from a small town, become confident enough to enter an EY office and able to handle an internship as parents, when you see her make that journey, what is that like for you?
Oh, it was good. I mean, she entered in a professional environment to deal with many senior people at the teams and do the teamwork and lot of things she learned actually. During that 6 month tenure of her internship in EY, she learned best of her like how it, what you study, but what is in practical way is it, and that is the company like EY and all is very highly professional. So she learned a lot of corporate values to that company. And based on that, EY also offered her a permanent job after completion of next year. So she will be after completing her BCom, she will be immediately joining EY. From next year.
Was there a moment in this journey where you felt, okay, this ACCA was the right choice for her? It's working out.
it is
So
working out.
what was that moment where you felt that?
Moment of
we have
working is like when we also get into when we started ACCA, when she started ACCA, we also get into a lot of things. We deal with many people in my office also when I asked about what are the ACCA, and so then we come to know, then we understand it is a right choice for her, like because she want to explore the world.
Yeah.
And she can go anywhere and explore on the base of ACCA. Because our most of our family children are abroad in different countries.
Our elder daughter is also in Canada.
Okay.
Yeah. So I mean, they are all in different countries, and we have also asked them to search what is the value of ACCA in that.
Okay.
And it is good, I mean, say. So that moment we said, okay, this is a right choice for us.
If I were to ask you to imagine Kavya's life 10 years from now, what is your ambition for her? What do you imagine?
We imagine she will be either, if in India, she will be in the top in some corporate and at some senior CFO level.
Or
based
field
on-
accounting firm, any big.
Hmm. And if she were overseas?
Overseas also, she will be doing her own business and all. We basically, I mean,
Keep growing.
keep growing. Basically, we are Gujarati, so we see if she go outside, we will first think on perspective of our own business and offices and all in any country. Like, and we our all childrens, our all family boys and girls are very successful outside in the business. So we just want her also to be. If she go outside, she will do the best in. She will practice based on her SEC and all.
If I were to ask you for a piece of advice for other parents who are considering ACCA at this point, what would you say to them?
Kindly go for it. It's the best. I mean, apart from the authentic studies after BCom, like
Yeah.
I think MBAs and whatever. I mean, but ACCA is something different which give
What
you.
they are doing, they will be satisfied from their
I don't criticize other streams and all, but I say ACCA is something different which can give you a better upper platform to grow. And it's not only ACCA. After ACCA, if you become a member of ACCA, then a lot of ways are open for you to, and worldwide I say. And the kind of the trend is going on when multinationals are coming in India, they will definitely be looking for the people who
Who
are,
are qualified
yeah,
that way? I have a few fun questions for you, if I can ask you some fun questions. During your child's exams, who worries more?
you know, I don't know.
You don't know.
I have to ask which exam you are giving. So they like,
It has come out fees when I always communicate with her which paper, how was your preparations, and at the time of exam she is quite stressful. So that time we have to tell her that chill for some time, do this, do that. After you study, then you will be refreshing.
Who's more disciplined, Kavya now or both of you when you were in college, if you were to compare?
We are not that much disciplined in college. In schools, with discipline, but not in college.
most indisciplined we are like.
Who celebrates more when the results come?
She is more excited. Teacher.
Every time we celebrate, she come to hometown, then we all together, her friends, our family.
Small achievements are always she is doing. So we invite her friends and all go for a dinner and
Okay.
they all.
When she asks for something, who normally says yes first?
His father.
Me. Always. Anything. She always asks to me.
Yeah.
Whenever she calls, I immediately start doing OTP. So she only call when she need OTP.
When she needs an OTP.
And when she has some like mom will say this, that, she immediately call me. So first as I say okay, yes. Then she asks what she want.
Who is more patient in explaining things to the kids and, you know, having the tough conversations? Discipline कौन करते हैं? आप ही करते हो?
I want to teach them values that you cannot spend like anything. You have to value for money.
And your daughter, who is currently in Canada, what is the advice that you give her? Because now she's so far away, as opposed to Kavya, who can come home regularly if she wants to. What advice do you give children who live far away?
Just do hard work. I mean, just focus on what you want to achieve.
You need to spend lonely time for.
That makes
Your
it very tough, like
Also.
it's all inside.
She is very keen for people. She always needs people, friends, and any cousin and all. She don't like to live alone.
Yeah.
That is the thing. I have to learn that you have to stay alone also sometimes.
So we always advise them that keep patience and be strong, like, because it's not very easy to stay alone when you are going from a very happening family environment and friends and all, and then you are alone, but then you have to survive. It's very difficult. So we just asked her to keep patience and do your best.
So, as a surprise for both of you, Kavya has recorded a video about how much you have supported her, which we're going to show you now.
Very good. We don't know.
Hello everyone, my name is Kavya Trivedi and I'm a professional level ACCA candidate. I've been pursuing the ACCA qualification for more than 2 years now. And I have faced just so many ups and downs during this journey. And the only thing that kept me going was my parents' unwavering support, faith and trust in me. My parents, Mrs. Hesha Trivedi and Mr. Pranav Trivedi, are the best people that I have in my life. I cannot ever express the level of gratitude I have for them. I'm so thankful and so grateful for you guys. आज मैं जो कुछ भी हूँ मैं आप लोगों की वजह से हूँ. अगर आप नहीं होते तो मुझे लगता नहीं कि मैं यहाँ होती आज. I know you guys have put in the same level of hard work and effort as me to ensure that I reached this position in my life. And that gives me just so much pleasure to share all this success with you guys. I will always remember the way you guys planned a little surprise for me when I scored a rank, and the way you guys take me out on little trips when I'm stressing about the upcoming attempt. I know that you guys put in a lot of efforts to ensure that you cheer me up when I am not feeling very good or feeling very low, and that you celebrate all these peak moments. मैं बता नहीं सकती मैं कितनी खुश हूँ कि आप लोग जैसे पेरेंट्स मिले हैं मुझे. And I feel so happy that you guys never ever pressurized me कि पढ़ने बैठ जा या अच्छे scores ला. But the best thing is that you guys always ensured कि मैं कभी भी ज़्यादा worked up नहीं हूँ या फिर मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई नहीं कर रही हूँ. And that makes me the happiest person alive. I'm so grateful and so thankful for you guys. Love you.
Very nice.
Thank you.
What's your response to that video?
We have never pressurized her for anything. Like, we pressurize her to go out and chill. That is a different thing. I will. But she knows.
For all of the young people who are maybe considering big challenges, maybe some are looking at ACCA, some are looking at different things. What is the advice you give them about a tough road or a challenging road ahead?
Actually, don't pressurize too much to your kids. Be friendly sometimes, and what they want, you know first.
Yeah.
Keep a very
Keep
close
them some
bonding with,
space.
because
Every time pressure putting on them, it is not good for them.
Mr. Trivedi, thank you so much
Thank you.
for joining me and having this conversation. It has been my pleasure to speak to you. I wish you very, very good luck.
Thank you. We are also very happy to attend this.
Thank you.
Thank you.